write another set of four shapes. Let's look at the first shape. Let's talk about the first shape we are going to write. Sphere. Can you spell that? S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. That's a solid shape. Yes? Now, do you have a football at home? That is a sphere. Have you seen lovely, colorful marbles? That is a sphere. Good. Let's now write the spelling of sphere. Good. S P H E R E. Sphere. Shall we write the S capital? Look. S P H E R E. Sphere. So your football is sphere shaped. Marble. Good. Let's take another shape. Cube. I'm sure you love to play indoor games. And what is that little thing, square little thing that you use to throw? Dice. Very good. The dice is in the shape of a cube. Spell cube. C-U-B-E, cube. There's another, a big cube that you use playing several. There'll be colors on it and it can go on shifting. Rubik's cube. Yes. When you hurt yourself, mommy takes out from the fridge ice. What is it? Ice cube. That is also shape of a cube. Very good. Sometimes you find a table, mommy keeps sugar cubes. Have you seen? Yes, cube. Spell cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Very good. Let's write. C-U-B-E, cube. Let's write the C capital. C U B E, cube. Yes. Now, another shape we'll take now, that is cuboid. Have you seen where people build buildings? Nice, lovely red bricks. Have you seen? Now that is the shape of a cuboid. Look at the shape of your new eraser. That is cuboid shape. Why? Ask mommy to show you a lovely long carton. Yes? Now what does she do with the carton? She'll fill up your toys and pack it up, put it on the loft when you're not using. So your eraser, big long cardboard box, bricks, all these are shape of cuboid. Spell cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Let's write. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Shall we write the C capital? Good. C U B O I D, cuboid. Now, mommy has something in the kitchen. Shall I tell you the shape? Cylinder. Gas cylinder. And mommy says, don't come here. Don't touch the gas cylinder. Yes, very dangerous. What else is in that shape? Your water bottle, sometimes you can have a nice cylindrical shape. What about your flowers? It's almost a cylindrical shape. Good. Now, let's spell cylinder. Cylinder. Shall we write? Good. Cylinder. Cylinder. Let's write the C capital. C Y L I N D E R. Cylinder. Let's look at all the shape we have written. Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Example, your football. Marble. Very good. Next, shape cube. Cube. That is, dice is the cube, ice cube, sugar cube, Rubik's cube that you can play. Good. What's the next shape? Cuboid. 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 A brick is the shape of a cuboid. Yes? If you have a very thick book, it's a shape of a cuboid. Your eraser is shape of a cuboid. Finally, what's the last shape? Cylinder. 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 Yeah, cylinder. Your flowers. Water bottle. Even at school, you might find small cylinders on the corridors for safety. Have you seen? Good.